Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today I'm going to make some vegan pancakes. I'll just be using whole grain oats, some plant milk, and a banana. I'm making these a little bit thicker today, so I'm only using 1 cup of unsweetened rice milk. If it's a little too thick, you can just add a splash more of liquid, or don't be afraid to just tamper it down. These are plant-based pancakes. They contain only plant milk, whole grain oats, and a banana. If you'd like to keep this vegan, you can use toppings such as vegan butter, fresh fruit, plant-based whipped cream, and maple syrup as options. I'll link some of my videos below on how to make your own vegan butter, dairy-free whipped cream, and rice milk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.